today's gonna be a little something different. We're gonna head into Titan, and we got a little surprise for y'all. Something's gonna be coming back to life. Silverback, let's just say that. And if you wonder why I'm wearing all these, well, I had a really bad accident. Are we gonna make that another video, or do you just want me to explain it?
It's gonna be in the video.
Yeah, it'll be in another video if you want to find out why.
It'll be in the video that you guys just watched.
Yeah, before this. Okay, so if you wonder what happened to all this, then you'll have to find out and go click on that video.
I'm gonna click on the link
It'll
up
be
above.
somewhere up here. So let's go.
A little update on the G8. She's still banged up.
Oh, they don't know. They ain't seen nothing. We didn't make a video of them.
Headlights cracked there. Fender's a little rippled there.
Got hit in the park.
But the insurance company is trying to get a hold of the owner of the car that this happened to. The guy driving was not the owner of the car, neither was he included on the insurance, nor did he have a driver's license, but he got off scot-free. My shit's wrecked. Insurance doesn't want to fix it, so a month later we're still sitting here with a wrecked up car. But
we had a delay too.
we also had a delay with Jonathan's burns.
They don't. Well, if you want to see some of it, I mean, I'm not wrapping some of it, but it was really bad, and it's kind of healed.
It was 2nd degree burns, but he's getting better. He's walking. He's mobile again, and we're getting back out into the game. So stay tuned. Huh?
So it's been the first video since.
Yeah, this has actually been the first video we've shot since he got out of the hospital. And check out TJ's build and get you guys updated. Let's ride. Guys, we just wanted to stop and show you our old house where Fast Lane Pros first started. The house is completely gone. The house is completely gone. Nothing left but the shed and the well house. But yeah, that's the old house. Was the old house. Let's keep riding. Okay guys, so we have made it to TJ's shop where he works. All Pro Firestone. TJ is a little daily, but we are here with the Camaro, the 1LE you guys seen blow up.
It blew me from there to the end of the fence.
You put too much fuel on there.
I didn't.
So far the exhaust is off,
Well, we'll cut it out.
drive shaft is off, and we're getting ready to drop the transmission. But we'll show you guys the holes in the block. The massive craters.
That other block is gonna hold some boost.
Oh, right there. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but right there. That's crazy.
Yep.
So are you gonna be able to use the headers on that one?
Yeah, it's all the same thing.
Sweet.
Is that the only hole?
That one, and there's one on the side. There's one in the front too.
Oh yeah, way up there.
Right by the cooler. The oil cooler line.
There's one by the oil.
That's where all that oil. Remember when it threw out on the right hand side?
Yeah.
That's where it came from. There and underneath.
So it was 3 holes.
There's 3. Yeah.
This thing grenaded.
Yeah, it blew up. Yeah, it took a big old dump.
Definitely grenaded. Everything's still covered in oil.
So when we drained it, as soon as we drained it, pure coolant came out. Straight coolant. And right after was the oil mix.
So I wonder if it was a head gasket. Yeah.
Y'all took the hedges?
No, it just
Not yet.
From draining the pan, it straight dropped coolant, pure coolant, and then it was a mix of oil and coolant.
Kind of like mine was. Because it had
And it was everything.
Head gaskets have been a pain in the butt.
What kind of look is right down there?
Oh yeah, that's good looking. What's your Instagram?
Hers is Vixen_SS.
Vixen_SS, guys. Go follow them on Instagram. And here's the new beast.
No holes in the block.
Yeah, I see 255s. It has diamond pistons too in it. Oh, it has a LSA crank on it ready for Lamborghini.
It's clean.
You know it always takes 5W30 because fuck that Japanese shit.
So what all's done to this motor?
Let me pull it up real quick. Cams a 233, 244, Ls3 4's long block, Gen 4 aluminum block, 4.005 bore diamond LSA style disc pistons, upgraded pins, eagle rods, ARP 2000 rod bolts, LSA forged crankshaft, balanced and blueprinted, ARP main stud hardware, King racing bearings, 255 PRC cylinder heads with 67cc combustion chambers, .660 lift dual springs, bronze Trinium upgrade rockers, ARP head studs, LS9 head gaskets. Block was clean, hot tanked, honed, and decked before being assembled. 1200 plus horsepower capable.
She's gonna be nasty.
So, big plans for this.
She's gonna be nasty.
Probably gonna do a turbo. That's really what I want to do. Because I've done everything except for a turbo. And
Might as well go
I'm
twins.
ready. I don't know. I'm thinking about a big single.
Cool, we're gonna be able to see the cam and everything to the valley cover.
Yeah, we will.
It's all trash.
Yeah.
Might be no, we gotta see this shit now.
Is it like cracked right there where that thing's supposed
What
to be?
size is
Cracked?
it?
Oh, it's fucking, it's
trash.
It's trash.
What size is it?
You're gonna need something to pry it.
Yeah,
That's gonna be stuck.
Yeah, pry bar over here.
Oh.
There she comes.
Oh.
Hey, look at that hole.
Look at that hole back there, guys. Oh man, and a hole up here too.
I dropped every valve in the motor. It's gonna be hard, bro.
You're probably gonna have to get a pry bar. Oh no. I hear metal.
That's the gasket. Hey!
Look at that.
Fuck
Look at this.
boy.
My
Look at this.
God.
Everything else is fine.
So I get a video of this on the camera. Look at this head. Both valves gone.
Fuck yeah, boy.
Oh
That bitch is stuck.
God.
Total carnage.
Oh. What's left of the motor?
That's like, is that like, what's this like?
It's aluminum.
Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. Drop a comment down below, let us know what you think about pulling this motor out. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.
See you next time.